This is a shopping center full of electronic products. We have mobile phones, rechargeable SIM card, headsets, wires, USB, screen protectors. What's this? See, I don't smoke, I don't know, hey? It's your lighter. Wow, radios. Do we still use it? What the heck? CD players. Wow, antique. 古董啊，古董 CD 機 oh yo. Wow, hand fan. 拖板. And what's this? I've seen a lot, but what is it? I can do it myself. Macrame, I can do it myself. What is that for? Pick and choose whatever you like. This one for Taiwan, this one for Thailand, this is for China, Macau, Taiwan and Hong Kong. Whatever you like. Well, a lot to see. I can't do it. Too many choices. If you give me 3, I can. But if you give me 100, I'm like, nah. Are we still going inside and have a look? Yeah, we are. Wow. Look at all this. Look at all this. You know what? You just buy from Alibaba, Temu. Oh wow. Whatever, Taobao, and then you can just sell it here. Buy, pay for $2 and then you sell for 50. Good business, hey? I like to eat like this. This is like street food but indoor. Interesting. Look at the prices. Daojang is like soy milk, but it's way better than soy milk. Minimum $20. It says here, minimum $20. This is called cha yip dan. It's traditional Hong Kong food. They are all traditional Hong Kong food. Jade, the jewelry, jade. They're real, look. Well, I can't tell, but it's expensive. They claim to be real. Look. Is it real? Can you tell? You can buy the same thing on the street for 50. But here is like 15,000. This is lenses, glasses. Specsavers is way better, I guess. How much is it? They don't have the price. I guess it's thousands. They don't have the price. Should I go and have a look? Not really, nah. What's this? This is like a papaya. but they take the inside out and put some milk, jelly milk, apparently. Well, you have the English here. $7 per piece. Expensive, hey? Not very expensive in Australian dollar. Just $1.50. Why not? Alrighty, I think that's it.